workshop was titled as Sustainable Energy Transition for Pakistan, and this is funded by the British Council.
And the aim of this workshop was to bring together teams of early career researchers from the UK and Pakistan to share research expertise and to develop collaborations relevant to enabling a sustainable energy transition in Pakistan.
So the key challenges related to energy in Pakistan, they are multifaceted. For example, we have policy issues, then we have some social issues, and then the other side is from the technical point of view.
One of the real surprises for me from a UK perspective was that Pakistan has really quite a significant energy surplus at the moment, certainly in terms of electricity. But the geographical distribution of access to energy is really very patchy. So in the cities, you might have really good connection to an electricity grid. And then as you move out into rural areas, that connection gets more and more patchy. And then in some rural areas, there's no electricity provision at all.
And in those off-grid population, most of the women, they are affected because they are working at home. So there are gender issues as well related to different challenges related to energy.
From a sustainability point of view, it's working out how to give energy access to the people in the most remote areas in a sustainable manner. That's the real challenge.
And so basically this workshop was one step in that direction. So as you know, most of the issues which the world is facing, especially from climate change perspective, they're very multidisciplinary in nature. So there's a very strong need for people to think out of their own domain and to interact with people outside of their region.
So as a result of this workshop, we formed a number of new collaborations between UK and Pakistani researchers. In fact, we formed at least a dozen new collaborative teams, and of those, 8 are going to receive seed funding to start work on specific projects, including developing new and cleaner cooking stoves for rural cooking, improving people's health, and also to minimize pollution and deforestation, for sustainable energy storage in Pakistan. And importantly, a lot of these will utilize materials and processes that can be rendered indigenous to Pakistan so that Pakistan can produce its own batteries for sustainable energy storage. And also projects looking at new ways to convert agricultural and municipal waste into fuels.
And then we hope that after the conclusion of these projects, these collaborations will live beyond that, and people will find more opportunities to collaborate on bigger issues related to energy and climate change.
So climate change is a global problem that affects us all. And so addressing the sustainable energy transition in Pakistan is of interest to Scotland as well as Pakistan. And this workshop provided an opportunity for Glasgow and Lahore University of Management Sciences to forge a collaboration and really to try and lead the research agenda in this area. And so this really has helped to put Scottish science and Scottish chemistry right at the forefront of a globally pressing issue.